everybody. Today I want to talk to you about coconut coir, specifically from Ponvel Products. You probably heard of coconut coir and why it's awesome to grow in, but why is it so good for your soil? Coconut coir is the byproduct of coconut processing, which includes the outer layer of coconut husk. This fibrous brown substance can hold up to 10 times its weight in water because it's so absorbent. When added to soil, it helps plant roots retain moisture because the coconut coir doesn't release the water from its pore spaces very quickly. This also makes it a great soil amendment to sandy soils that don't have a lot of moisture holding capacity. Coconut coir also creates a more balanced air-to-water pore ratio in the soil because the coir expands with water, allowing the compacted coir to fill with air while making room for the water pore spaces to form. And as we have talked about in previous episodes, air-to-water pore ratio is essential for root growth and plant development because roots need to be able to expand in an environment that's not too dry and not too saturated. Coconut coir also helps to repel insects because they don't like the taste of the fibrous ground husk. Unlike soil and compost, which contain nutrients, coconut coir is actually nutrient deficient, which in this case is a good thing because it's not going to add any extra calcium or nitrogen to your soil, but it will break down into organic matter. And that will improve soil quality and soil fertility. Since coconut coir is a byproduct of coconut processing and is biodegradable, it's considered more environmentally friendly than other alternatives. The amount that you need to mix into your soil will depend on how much your soil retains water, so a lot of times this can vary from a 1-to-1 ratio or a 1-to-3 ratio of coir to soil. It depends on how much you will need to get your soil to a good water holding capacity. This is a brick of coconut coir that I purchased from Ponvel Products, which is a family-owned and operated coconut coir supplier in Arizona. They are OMRI listed and work with several Arizona businesses to supply them with coir products. And since it's OMRI listed, you know it's safe to use in your organic garden. And as an Arizona gardener, I want to be able to work with other businesses in Arizona who understand the unique growing conditions of working in our climate. Arizona has a lot of clay soil, but we also have a lot of sandy soil. If you are planning to use our native soil and it's sandy, adding this coir to your soil will help significantly in water retention. Just remember that you will still need other products that add nutrients because sandy soil and coconut coir don't have the nutrients necessary to grow plants. And to demonstrate how much coconut coir that you can get from this one brick, here's a time lapse of this one brick expanding in water. So if you're thinking of adding coconut coir to your soil, even a small amount to see if it will work in your garden or seedlings, check out my friends at Ponvel Products on their website or Instagram. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching my channel. Make sure that you check out my friends at Ponvel Products And as always, and until next time, save the soil.